I'm Scott Chenery, Regional Manager for Kiteworks UK and Ireland. Cyber Essentials has been developed by both government and industry in the UK. Fulfills two functions really. Firstly, provides a clear statement of what controls an organisation should have in place to mitigate the risk of cyber threats. And then secondly, it allows those organisations to demonstrate to their customers, their investors, insurers, that they have those security controls in place. We're really excited to announce that Kiteworks are now certified to Cyber Essentials Plus. This is going to allow us to further demonstrate to customers existing and new that we take the security of our platform and our business very, very seriously. Furthermore, we have customers that have actually deployed Kiteworks to help them adhere to some of the controls detailed in Cyber Essentials. Specifically, that's around the sharing of sensitive content with third parties. And for the customers that we work with, ultimately, this is all about risk reduction. Whenever they need to share sensitive content, they want to reduce the risk of compliance violations, data loss, a breach, and of course, avoid the associated costs that come with those types of security incidents. For more information, you can check out our webpage and the compliance brief that we put together for Cyber Essentials at kiteworks.com.